Hi, this is Jens from Tricycle 3D Printing. In the last video you saw me showing you the bottom frame and the heat bed, and now I have made the gantry and mounted it onto the printer. I also installed the stepper motor, the rods and everything, and yeah. Here you see the gantry, and the gantry consists of 5 elements. The aluminum profiles, this 3D printed object, this one makes the gantry connect to the bottom frame. There's also something 3D print inside the profile. I think it's up to 100 millimeters. Here I have some 3D printed parts. It's for the X-axis, and on the top I have also this one goes into this profile and goes into this profile. And it's just to have those two to be close together. This one, 3D printed. This is just to make the rod be more straight. Oh, sorry. And we have the stepper motors also mounted. Yes, and this is the Z-axis and the gantry. And in the next video, I will have the X-axis on the printer. Here you see the part that mounts the gantry to the base frame, or the bottom frame, or what you call it. This part goes up into the gantry and the bottom frame goes through those. And those 2 holes is for mounting it with screws when I have found the right position. So yeah, this is that part to mount the gantry to the frame. This is the part that moves the X-axis up and down on the Z-axis, and you see the profile is going in here, and I got some wheels here with some axis here and axis here in those holes, and 4 wheels, and the threaded rod is going through this one, and then at some point I'm going to mount something here for the X-axis. This one holds the gantry together, and horizontal profiles and the vertical profiles. So this one goes into a profile and this one goes into a profile. Yes, and of course I put in Tricycle 3D printing. And this one is to hold the rod on the top. It's just so the rod doesn't move everywhere, to keep it straight. I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a short video, but you saw the next step. And if you like this video and you want me to make more videos, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, ask any questions you want, and see you in the next video. Bye!